Okay, so let's have this problem. So to find the solution of the rational equation, then from this given, since there is two rational expressions, then we can use the cross multiplication to find the solution of this rational equation. So using cross multiplication, so multiply this 3 times x minus 3. So 3 times x minus 3 then equals this 2 times x plus 1. So 2 times x plus 1. Then simplify. So multiply this 3 times x. That's 3x. Then 3 times negative 3. This is negative 9. Then equals 2 times x, this is 2x, and 2 times 1, that's positive 2. Then we need to transpose this positive 2x to the other side, and this negative 9 to the other side. So this becomes 3x. Then this positive 2x becomes negative 2x, then equals, so positive 2. And this negative 9 becomes positive 9. Then to simplify, so we have 3x minus 2x, that's positive 1x or x, then equals 2 plus 9, that's 11. So therefore, x is equal to positive 11. Then for this given, so again, there is only two rational expressions, then we can use the cross multiplication to find the solution of this rational equation. So multiply this x plus 4 times x minus 5. So we have x plus 4 times x minus 5 then equals, so multiply this x plus 6 then times x minus 9, then using the FOIL method, so multiply this x times x, this is x squared, then x times negative 5, that's negative 5x, then we have 4 times x, that's positive 4x, and this 4 times negative 5, that's negative 20, then equals, so this x times x, this is x squared, and x times negative 9, negative 9x, then this 6 times x, positive 6x, and 6 times negative 9, that's negative 54. Then we can combine like terms. So we have x squared and this negative 5x plus 4x. So negative 5 plus 4, that's negative 1x or negative x. Then minus 20, then equals, so this x squared, then negative 9x and positive 6x. So negative 9, positive 6, that's negative 3x, then minus 54. Then we need to equate this equation to 0. So transpose everything to the left side. So transpose to the left side, transpose to the left side, and transpose to the left side. So this becomes x squared minus x minus 20, and this positive x squared becomes negative x squared. This negative 3x becomes positive 3x, and this negative 54 becomes positive 54, then equals 0. Then we need to combine like terms. So this positive x squared and negative x squared, this one is 0. Then this negative x, positive 3x. So this is negative 1 plus 3. So that's positive 2x. And this negative 20, positive 54. So this is positive 34, then equals 0. Then to solve for x, so transpose this positive 34 to the other side. So we have 2x equals negative 34. Then divide both sides by 2 to solve for x. So therefore x equals negative 34 divided by 2. That's negative 17. Then for this given, since more than 2 rational expressions, then we're going to use the LCD method in finding the solution of this rational equation. So multiply this whole equation by the LCD, and the LCD is just the product of these denominators. So we have x plus 1, then times 2x, then distribute to every term, so multiply to this term, so we can cancel now x plus 1 and cancel this x plus 1, so the remaining is 2x times 2x, then plus distribute to this term, so cancel 2x and cancel 2x. So the remaining is 5 times this x plus 1, then equals, distribute to this term, so this becomes 2 times x plus 1 times 2x. Then to simplify, so this 2x times 2x, this is 4x squared, then plus 5 times x, this is 5x, and 5 times 1, that's positive 5, then equals, so this 2 times x, this is 2x, and 2 times 1, that's positive 2, then we still have 2x, so this is now 4x plus 5x plus 5, then equals, multiply, so 2x times 2x, that's 4x squared, and 2 times 2x, that's positive 4x. Then we need to equate this equation to 0. So we have 4x squared plus 5x plus 5. Then transpose this to the other side. So this becomes negative 4x squared. Transpose to the other side, that becomes negative 4x equals 0. Then this time we can combine like terms. So this positive 4x squared and negative 4x squared, this one is 0. Then this positive 5x, negative 4x. So we have positive 5 minus 4, that's positive 1. So positive 1x or positive x. Then for this positive 5, so just copy, so plus 5 equals 0. Then this time to solve for x, so transpose this positive 5. So we have x equals negative 5.